The way I approach my business is like the Pittsburgh, I look at it like the Pittsburgh Steelers. The Pittsburgh Steelers have had 3 head coaches since the 1960s. And I believe consistency in your team creates success over the long term. And so when we bring somebody onto the team, we want to express that to them, that they know we want them to come and we want them to stay and we want them to have a career and a home at Commercial Products. Turnover breeds inconsistency, and if you're constantly looking for new teammates and new people, your clients don't get that consistent understanding of who you are, who the people are, what level of service that they're getting. So my whole motivation is to create an environment where our team members want to come and want to stay and stay for their career. I would argue that our team has as much, if not more, experience than anybody in what we do, whether it be aftermarket care or a consultative approach with an engineer and design team, so that we understand everything that's involved from the design of that system to the successful operation of that system.